What's going on here?
Well, I guess we just crossed into some land that isn't public, and right away I saw a bird. I was like, whoa, that's a big bird. Bird tried to fly away, then I realized it was stuck on some string.
What is that, fishing line?
Maybe.
Okay, so you're about to do a rescue mission on a bird?
Yeah.
How are you going to do that?
I have my dad's car keys. I'm going to use this, I think, house key to try and cut the line.
But Tim,
Okay.
it's a wild animal. I don't know. I don't think it'll stay put.
It's probably really scared right now. So just be
keep
careful.
my back to the bird.
Just be careful and it won't hurt you. It's going to try and fly away. Go ahead. Hurry up.
Hey, Dad.
And
It
there
just
you
has
go.
a longer tail. Now the bird has a longer tail.
Hey, look at, hey guys. Dad,